Welcome to the LK150 Knitting Machine Introduction and Installation Guide. Hello everyone, I'm Momo from Bian. Today we're introducing the LK150 Happy Knitting Machine. This machine is small, light, and portable. It also combines machine and hand knitting techniques, which greatly improves knitting efficiency. So let's take a look at this knitting machine. Installing the knitting machine correctly. First, remove the main unit. Set it on the table. Choose a large, wide table to secure the machine. We'll put the main unit at the edge of the table. Take the 2 table clamps out of the box. The table clamps secure the machine to the tabletop, one on each side. You'll see a slot on each side of the knitting machine. Put the table clamps in the slots. And tighten the screws clockwise. Then put the other table clamp in its slot and tighten the screw clockwise. Now the knitting machine is secured to the table top. Next, let's get the yarn mask base and yarn guide assembly. For the yarn mast and yarn guide assembly, first install the yarn mast base onto the knitting machine. Now, attach the yarn guide assembly to the yarn mast. About a third of the way up. Then fit the yarn mast into the groove on the yarn mast base. Next, secure the tension assembly's bottom slot onto the yarn mast. During installation, make sure the tension wire is positioned at the back, not the front. As for how it works, we'll show you in the following example. The row counter tracks the number of rows. We'll attach it to the main unit. The row counter displays ones, tens, and hundreds. Before knitting, zero all 3 buttons. Now we can start knitting. Here are 2 ways to install and remove the carriage. Before we start knitting, we need to learn how to correctly install the carriage. The first method: push down the locking lever. Remove the carriage, pulling it towards you. To install, press the locking lever and fit the carriage facing you. That's the first method. The second, install horizontally from the end to detach. Pull the carriage horizontally, lifting it slightly. Remove the carriage horizontally. To install, do the same horizontally from the machine's end. Then release the locking lever. That's the second removal method.